Hey guys, hi, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Firstly, I want to apologize for the sound. I know इधर बहुत ही आवाज़ आता है. I'm not in Calcutta. I'm in Bangalore and the place where I'm staying, यहाँ पे बहुत ही noise आता है because ये एकदम रोड के middle में है. तो यहाँ पे बहुत आवाज़ आता है and I have been delaying this video since a really long कि ठीक है कल आवाज़ नहीं आएगा, कल शूट करूँगी, परसों शूट करूँगी. But I'm just tired. रोज़ ही इधर बहुत ही आवाज़ आता है. But still I'll make sure कि everything is clearly audible. As you have read the title, today's video is going to be another urbanic haul. So since last 1 month I've been living in Bangalore and I did not have enough clothes. मैं ज़्यादा clothes लेके नहीं आई थी Calcutta से and I thought I should get some clothes. I should shop some clothes from Urbanic. So if you want to shop from Urbanic, I have a code flashing on the screen right now. If you use this code, you will save up some money. So I got around 8-9 pieces from Urbanic. But before starting this video, I just want to say that if you enjoy my content, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are interested in vlogs, fashion videos, then make sure you are subscribed. Okay, the first thing that I got is not a clothing item, it's a bag. मेरे पास everyday use के लिए एक black bag नहीं था. I thought I'll get a bag from Urbanic क्योंकि मैंने mostly clothes ही लिए हैं from Urbanic. I've even gotten a earring but bag मैंने कभी नहीं लिया है and it's like a really cute bag and I love the material. बहुत ही अच्छा material में है. The only thing which I don't like is that ये picture में थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा था but in reality it's not that big. It's like a really small and cute bag. It's like a shoulder bag. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ तो fit नहीं आएगा. You can keep your phone, your lipstick, some mints and cash and card. ये सब ज़रूरी की चीज़ें तो fit आ जाएंगी. Okay, so that's the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got are these pants. Let me show it to you guys. It's in this very pretty tan brown color and ऐसे color में मेरे पास कुछ है भी नहीं and these are like very comfortable formal pants, really good for work wear, office wear, for your meetings. Just one tip which I always give you guys is whenever you are ordering from Urbanic, make sure you follow the size chart. Just because आपका usual size S है, it does not mean कि सब कुछ S में आएगा. This is M I think and सामने इसके दो button भी है and पीछे ऐसे rubber है which is quite adjustable. You can style these pants with like a really basic and nice white shirt और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. The second item which I got are these skirt. I think that's how you pronounce it. Skirt. I don't know. This is basically a skirt and अंदर में pant है and I got this in size S and it fits me like a dream. It fits me perfectly and सामने there are these golden button which looks really nice and यहाँ पे एक zip भी है. I'll tell you why I got this skirt. It's because of the color. You can see how beautiful the color is. It's not tan brown. It's not orangish. It's somewhere in the middle. It might look orange in the video but it's not orange. It's like a very beautiful copper shade. I'll mention the size and price of everything on the screen and the links to all the clothes will be in the description box. So if you're interested in buying anything, just check the description box. This one I'm planning to wear it very soon. अभी तक मैंने इसको बाहर पहना नहीं है. I might wear it with like a white top or like a black top. The next thing that I got, I'm not quite happy with it. But it's my fault. I'll tell you what happened. तो मैंने जब ये dress लिया था ना, it looks very pretty on the camera, right? This is in this tie-dye print and I did not check the name of the dress. It's sheer bodycon dress but मैंने देखा नहीं, मुझे लगा अंदर lining होगा and ऊपर it looks really nice और fitting भी इसका बहुत अच्छा, मैंने पहन के देखा है but I cannot wear it on camera because it's sheer and I don't have like a inner or a white tunic. तो मैं इसको नहीं पहन सकती हूँ अभी. What I have to do is I have to buy like a white slip-on dress and on top of that I can wear it. It's also like a really nice beach cover-up but overall it's really pretty. ये बहुत ही अच्छा material है इसका, ये stretchable भी है and I love the print on it. मैं ऐसे usually tie-dye print नहीं पहनती हूँ. This is the first time that I'm going to be wearing a tie-dye print. Okay, the next thing that I got, it's so beautiful. I think this is my favorite out of all. It's this white corset bodysuit and oh my god, I'm in love with the color. ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे पे. It has this very beautiful sheer detailing. आप इसको palazzo, jeans, skirt की किसी के भी साथ पहन सकते हो एंड इट विल लुक रियली नाइस। दिस इज पार्टी लुक और डेट नाइट लुक, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है। मैंने पहले भी अर्बैनिक से बहुत सारे कॉर्सेट टॉप्स लिए हुए हैं एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो गुड, सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक आई हैव टू गेट अनदर वन। रेड कलर का कॉर्सेट मेरे पास है नहीं, आई हैव लाइक वाइट, पिंक, ग्रीन, बट आई डिड नॉट हैव रेड. I was like, let me just get this. It's so beautiful. So I told you guys I'm obsessed with corsets on Urbanic. So the next thing that I got is a jumpsuit. But इसके सामने ये corset detailing है, ऊपर corset है and पूरा नीचे cotton है, which is so amazing and I love the color of it. I mean, just look at the color. It's so beautiful and also the detailing over here. सामने ऐसे sheer है and recently I have been obsessed with jumpsuits. If you have seen my other Urbanic haul, you'll see कि मैं jumpsuit हमेशा एक ना एक तो लेती ही हूँ अपने haul में. It's such a statement. If you have like a really nice jumpsuit in black or brown or white color, then you don't have to think a lot. You can just wear it, put on like a really nice heels, accessorize your look properly, take a nice bag and you will be good to go. ये jumpsuit मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा and I cannot wait to wear it. I'll make some YouTube shorts and reels, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I'll be styling this and a lot of other outfits. The next thing that I got is like a really basic black top. मेरे पास ज़्यादा black tops है नहीं. If you see my Instagram is so colorful. After seeing my hauls, you understand that I'm more into colors and less into monochrome outfits. But I thought एक black top या एक black dress तो होना ही चाहिए wardrobe में. And this is like a halter neck black top. And इसका material भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Tops on Urbanic are so affordable and I have like so many. Even the clothes that I'm hanging in the background now, all of these are from Urbanic. I think when you start shopping from Urbanic, you cannot go back. The next thing that I got are these white cord set. मैं इसको अच्छे से दिखाने वाली हूँ, नहीं तो I always mess up my white outfits. कहीं भी मेकअप का दाग लग जाता है या इफ़ आई एम ईटिंग आई जस्ट एंड अप स्टेनिंग इट. सो मैं इसको अच्छे से दिखाने वाली हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द टॉप एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी इट ऑन कैमरा, बट यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा एक गोल्डन लाइनिंग है which just makes it so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it properly. And पीछे it's in like this stretchable, and this was quite affordable because you get these really nice white pant and this white top, this whole set. And cords are so versatile. आप इस टॉप को अलग किसी पैंट के साथ या स्कर्ट के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो एंड आप इस पैंट को अलग किसी टॉप के साथ या कॉर्सेट के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. I love wearing white outfits. It looks so good and I think white is my color for this summer. I think I'm pretty happy with whatever I bought because सबका size and material बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed my haul. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you're shopping from Urbanic, then do not forget to use my code flashing on the screen right now. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!